Does test automation find defects? That's not the role. The role of test automation should be to bring you to the level where you can be confident that the application performs as specified, that the feature does its job, that the feature complies with the acceptance criteria that you agreed on initially, that does what it's supposed to do, it fulfills the requirements that it was designed to do, and then you can move on to testing the tricky stuff, to doing your exploratory testing, your in-depth testing, your penetration testing, your security testing, all of that stuff, securing the knowledge that the application behaves acceptably. That's where acceptance tests come from. That it does what it was supposed to do initially. So the way I see it, your test automation brings you to the level where you can actually do the real testing. It's table stakes of testing. If you are finding defects in test automation, then your application development process is in trouble, because you should not be. You should be getting rid of those defects during the development process. And that's what process approaches like BDD and TDD are very good at. They're good at identifying what you are trying to do upfront for a feature, describing it in very clear terms, exploring the edge case, exploring the variations, and making sure that your software does that in a reliable and repeatable way, so that you can then explore other areas in more depth. So test automation should not be about finding defects. Test automation is table stakes for your more sophisticated levels of testing. That's all I wanted to talk about today. Thanks for listening, folks.